All right, so terminal integrated confirm on exit controls whether to confirm on exit if there are active terminal sessions. So this pertains to active terminal sessions when you close VS Code. So let's set this to true so that we'll see the message pop up. Let's start a session, and if we try and close VS Code, it's going to give us this pop-up. There is an active terminal session. Do you want to kill it? And then you cancel it, and you won't get out of VS Code. Now, usually when I quit VS Code, I want everything related to that to also close. So I'm actually going to set this one to false because I want the session to be automatically ended. And my video just froze. How cool is that? Yeah, so this is pretty much it.